Garlic Toxicity and Pets. Toxicity to pets. Garlic is the most potent of all alliums and is poisonous to most species. Including dogs, cats, cattle, horses, birds, reptiles, sheep, and goats. It is about 5 times more toxic than onions or leeks. Scientific studies have found it takes approximately 15 to 30 grams of garlic per kilogram of body weight to produce harmful changes in a dog's blood. To put that into perspective, the average clove of supermarket garlic weighs between 3 and 7 grams. So your dog would have to eat a lot to get really sick. If your dog eats a small amount of garlic, less than 1 clove, or a piece of chicken cooked with garlic, they will likely not experience any symptoms, and you may only need to watch your pet for signs of illness. The potent garlic smell is disliked by dogs, while also being a toxic food for dogs. A diluted solution of garlic juice and water has been used as a natural repellent for dogs, but there is a concern if your dog was to ingest the solution. This is because garlic contains thiosulfate, which is toxic to dogs. In fact, even in small quantities, garlic has been known to cause severe negative reactions in dogs. Additionally, many popular garlic seasonings, like garlic salt, garlic powder, and minced garlic can be toxic to dogs. So it's best to avoid these at all costs as well. Garlic poisoning can take several days or even a week to set in. In most cases, your vet will administer intravenous fluids and anti-nausea medication to keep your dog comfortable. Some rare cases may require blood transfusions and longer-term courses of medication. Eating 1-2 garlic cloves daily can have health benefits, but more can cause bad breath, heartburn, stomach issues, and other unpleasant side effects. It's best to enjoy it in moderation. For many home chefs, garlic is a favorite spice to cook with, thanks to its pungent taste and aroma. If you suspect your dog has eaten garlic, take them to the emergency veterinary hospital as soon as possible. They'll be able to safely make your dog vomit and monitor for signs of anemia. This should occur immediately after intake.